Okay, this is 4.3, number 11, part F. So here's the picture I just tried to recreate it. And you're asked to figure out the integral from -4 to 6, this original function plus 2. So here's a little tip. Before you do this question, try to just think about what are the rules that we have for integration. So what are the properties we could use? So in this case, a property that we could use is the integral of two things summed together. You could split that into two integrals. You don't technically have to do this way. You could redraw the picture and just shift everything up 2. That would also work. But to me, just looking at it, I'd rather just work with what I'm given already. Those are pretty easy to solve. And then do the separate integral. Okay, so this would be f of x dx, just straight using the picture. And then I'm going to do a separate integral from -4 to 6 of just 2 dx. So let's draw a separate diagram for that. Let's do it right here. Okay, so that's from -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, until 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's at 2. So this is the picture like this, right? You got a rectangle. Okay, this is height of 2. Sorry, my kids are distracting, but they're trying to go to sleep and they're not sleeping. Anyway, this part is 4 from here to here, and from here to 6. So altogether that's 10, right? So the area of this rectangle is 10 times 2 is 20, right? So this part here, 20. Now, this other part over here, you got pieces that are below, so that those be negative, right? And then you got a piece that's above, positive. So let's just calculate each of those individually. This first triangle here, it's got a height of 1, width of 2. Area for a triangle is height times base times height divided by 2. That means this area overall, let's do it in purple, that is an area of 1. But it's on the bottom, so it's going to be -1. This semicircle, we actually did the same exact semicircle in class, except on the top, you've got a radius of 2, and it's half a circle, so it's going to be radius. Normally a circle is pi r squared, right? And here your radius is 2, so it'll be 4 pi, but then it's only half circle, so 4 pi over 2 is 2 pi. But remember, this is negative because this is on the bottom. Okay, lastly, I have this triangle here, starting from 2, right? Going to 6, that means it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the base. Oops. The base is 4. And then the height here is 2. So 4 times 2 divided by 2, that makes this 4. Okay, so putting our pieces together, you've got this area is -1 minus 2 pi, and then plus 4. And then plus the 20. Okay, so -1 plus 4 plus 20, that's going to be 23. And then the minus 2 pi. So there it is. Or 23 minus 2 pi, same thing.